Alright, so we are currently waiting on Jed, the service manager, to return. I'm going to throw a picture on here of how they left one of the lights. And when we dropped this off, I explained what was broken. I explained that the awning power strip, the lights, needed to be replaced. That there was power already coming to the power strip, to the lights themselves. They charged me $69 to diagnose exactly what I told them. Now the front cap lights, I could see they needed to diagnose that, but then they had to leave them this way, and I'll show the picture now. And then they began to tell us that the awning was rolled up in the wrong direction, so they had to fix that. There's nothing fixing that. You just unroll it and you roll it back up. But there's a freaking reason why it was rolled up backwards, because a windstorm had kind of pulled the awning a little bit, so the rear arm does not close all the way when you roll it up in the correct position. And I'll show that picture here, like they've got it. Obviously somebody could have saw that, should have seen that, and questioned it, and I would have told them, believe it rolled up the other way. So now I'm going to have to pull out of here because I got it too close to this other one. Unroll it, I'll roll it back up because it catches wind, and that's going to bang around while we're driving. So we're still waiting on Jed to show up. We're not a little happy. They billed me $140. Luckily, we were correct. The slide is under warranty. Everything on the slide is getting repaired under warranty. That's good. So they didn't charge me a diagnosis thing, considering I told them exactly what was wrong with it. Get an RV, they said. It'll be fun. Get to travel the country and work. Sleep in your own bed every night. It's days like this that you just like, well, weeks like this, dealing with places like this, that they've got a sign that says, due to COVID-19, they cannot guarantee accurate diagnosis or repair time frames. Even though we explained when we made the appointment that this needed to be a rush, we had a short time frame window to get it fixed. They wait until today, 5 days later, the day before we leave, to actually repair it and troubleshoot and tell me they've got to order the lights. You ain't ordering Sorry, I'll bleep that out. Anyway, I don't know where Aunt Robin is right now. She walked in, she's probably chewing somebody else's head off right now. She has already declared that she's going to be the Karen for the day for these people, so this ought to be interesting. Anyway, talk to you in a bit. Love, peace, and bacon, Rochelle. Bacon.